Hey people, welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play a music on YouTube repeatedly. Many a times when we watch YouTube and you go to your favorite channel to watch music, and you have to put the music on a playlist so that when one finish it will go to the next one. At times when we're playing the playlist, when you get to a particular spot whereby your hand is no longer on your phone or on your laptop, and the playlist will be showing continue playing, click yes. To continue playing, click yes. Okay, so YouTube wants you to click yes if you still want to continue playing the music. All right, so for you to if you have a favorite music you want to keep listening to, a particular song on YouTube, maybe you're trying to get the lyrics right, or you're trying to or maybe probably you love the music so much and you just want to keep listening to it repeatedly. So there is a solution for that, and I'm going to show you. If you're using a desktop, I'm going to show you, or if you're using an Android phone or mobile phone, I'm going to show you how to do that. Actually, it's called Loop, L-O-O-P, Loop on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to loop a music on YouTube, so the music will keep playing repeatedly. All right, so let's get right to it. I'm choosing a short minute music to show you that, and I've decided to go with this. All right, so what you need to do on desktop is very easy and simple. Right click on your mouse, right click, okay, and click on loop. Did you see this? Loop. Then automatically when it finishes, it's going to continue from where it stopped. So let's assume the music is finished, and let's see what happened. Can you see this? Can you see the result of the loop? It has to start all over again, and when you're tired of that particular one, you can actually unclick the loop, unclick it, then you can move to the next one. I'm going to go ahead and show you on mobile how to do this particular loop. All right, let's get right to it. All right guys, so from the mobile app you need to go to your YouTube, click on your YouTube. From your YouTube you go to your home and search whatever music you want to loop, or whatever music you want to listen to. All right, let's go with this this particular music. I'm going to go ahead and click on play. Okay, so how do you get loop? How do you get loop on this particular mobile? Very easy and very simple. So all you need to do is just click on the settings on. Okay, the loop is actually off now, so I'm going to go ahead and click on loop on. Then I'm going to forward the music in order for you to see how it repeats itself. So it's going to go ahead and repeat it. Can you see this? It repeated itself. Whenever you're working or you're studying, you just want a music and you love that particular music, or you want a sermon and you want to keep repeating the sermon, or you want to keep repeating the music, this is all you need to do. Just click on settings and click on loop on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and off it because I don't want it for now. All right, so the loop is off. All right guys, so this is the end of today's tutorial, how to put your music on YouTube on loop or repeatedly. All right guys, so see you soon on my next tutorial.